Hello viewers, are you experiencing YouTube video floating screen black problem? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings, and then scroll down. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app, search YouTube. Now tap on YouTube. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go back to home screen, go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search YouTube. Search for YouTube. Now update your YouTube app in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.